Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Pin and Go in your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. At first, enter your device. Once you have done that, tap this gear icon and here scroll down till you see Pin and Go. Now place a pin and tap Go.
Going to target.
I'll tap pause.
Stop pin and go.
And
Going
play.
to target.
Pause.
Stop pin and go.
And now here you can tap spot clean.
Starting spot cleaning.
And now we can tap back to dock to return our here to the dock.
Returning to dock.
Hey, don't go here on my desk, please. Because I do have here many useful things. Leave my keyboard alone, please, ROBOROCK. But that's how you use. Just place the pin on the map, tap go, and that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.